How's it going, guys? It's Phoebe with In the Know, and I'm super excited today. We're getting into the fall spirit by using pumpkins as our main ingredient to make a pumpkin DIY face mask. Fun fact, pumpkins are actually jam-packed with vitamins A, C, and E, which means they can help treat acne, and these bad boys are roughly 90% water, so they'll also help hydrate your skin. We only need a handful of ingredients for this face mask. We have olive oil, cinnamon, nutmeg, honey, and today we're gonna use canned pumpkin. All right, so here's how it goes. You start with half a cup of canned or fresh pumpkin, 1 teaspoon of nutmeg, and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. From there, go ahead and add 1 tablespoon of honey and another tablespoon of olive oil. You guys, this smells so good. Now we mix it. Oh. Okay, so this is where we're at. If you're feeling like super basic witch this season, this mask is for you. I'm always feeling basic witch. All right. Oh. Okay. All right, trial and error, we need some more honey. So if you find that it's not sticking, like me, just keep adding honey in small amounts until you reach the consistency that suits you. Okay, yeah. I'm really not gonna lie, it feels and smells like I'm just putting pumpkin pie on my face, but like I don't hate it. And you're supposed to let this sit on your face for 15 minutes.
Okay, 15 minutes and counting.
See you soon. All right, it's been 15 minutes. I'm gonna get this face mask off of me. And that's that. I really feel refreshed. My face feels nice and dewy and clean. And I would definitely do this again. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.